5 reactions, 1 mechanism, and guaranteed 5 marks. Hello friends, welcome to lecture series on electrophilic substitutions of benzene. In this video, we'll learn nitration. So this is what you are going to learn. Take one pen and paper and watch my video till end. Now first question is, what is nitration? So introduction of nitro group, that is NO2 group in aromatic ring, is called nitration. Which reagent we can use for nitration? Mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. It is also called as nitrating mixture. Electrophile generated in a process is NO2 plus, that is nitronium ion. So this is overall reaction. When benzene is treated with nitrating mixture at 60 degrees centigrade, we get nitrobenzene. Pause the video and write down important questions on nitration. Now, next important part, mechanism of nitration. Let us first see how electrophile is generated. So, we are using nitrating mixture concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Both are acids, but H2SO4 is stronger acid than HNO3. So actually acid-base reaction takes place where H2SO4 acts as acid and HNO3 acts as base. So I can write this HNO3 as OHNO2 and I can write H2SO4 as HHSO4. So what happens is water molecule is removed. From this we get NO2 plus. From this part we get HSO4 minus. And water molecule is generated. So nitronium ion generated in this process acts as electrophile. Since this is positively charged, it attacks benzene ring. So I can show step 2 as benzene plus electrophile NO2 plus. One of the pi bond will attack NO2, means this will be utilized for formation of sigma bond. So I can show it like this. H is already present and now this carbon will have positive charge. Since aromaticity is lost, this is slow step and the sigma complex form is stabilized by resonance. Thus, initially positive charge is on carbon number 2 and pi bond is in between 3 and 4. After delocalization, pi bond will shift between carbon number 2 and 3. But now since carbon number 4 has lost pi electrons, it will bear positive charge. Now shift pi electron between 5 and 6 and you will get new structure with positive charge on carbon number 6. Thus, positive charge is delocalized over the benzene ring. The actual structure is resonance hybrid of all such structures and can be shown like this. Now, in step 3, the intermediate form loses proton to give product. This we can show by taking one of the resonating structure. As you can see, in step 1, HSO4 minus is generated. So it is present in the medium and this acts as base. So I will write HSO4 minus. This base will abstract proton. The electron pair between this will move to benzene. Thus aromaticity will be regained and you will get the product nitrobenzene and H2SO4 will be regenerated, means it acts as catalyst. Since aromaticity is regained, this is fast step. Here I have shown energy profile diagram for nitration. So we start with starting materials, benzene and nitronium ion. This is the intermediate form and product form is nitrobenzene.